Hello everyone, I'm going to show you what to do when you're completing the square and you end up with mixed numbers. So let's suppose this is where you get to after you complete the square. So we've got x minus 2/3 squared equals 2 and 7x. I never want to work when I'm doing this because I know I'm about to take a square root. I never want to work with mixed numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So if you don't remember that process, go back and review it, but it's 2 times 9 plus 7. So that's going to give me x minus 2/3 squared equals 25 over 9. So at this point, I'm going to take a square root. So when I take my square root, I square root both sides. And this is the simple side. I'm just going to get x minus 2/3. I'm going to take the parentheses away. On this side, I have plus or minus because we're completing the square here. And then I just need to take the square root of the numerator and denominator. So the square root of 25 is 5, square root of 9 is 3. If, for example, let's say the numerator was 29, for example, then I would just have the square root of 29 over 3. So I'm going to take the square root of things I can take the square root of. So most of the time, for our purposes, the denominator will square root. Sometimes the numerator will not. So here's where we are so far. We have nothing else there. So nothing over here, no i's because there's no negative values. And so now I just need to solve. So x is going to equal. Let me show the step. I'm going to add 2/3 to each side. I'm trying to make the video short and in a rush. That's what happens. So those cancel. X equals 2/3 plus or minus 5/3. And so now I'm going to set up my two answers. I have 2/3 plus 5/3, and I have 2/3 minus 5/3. So this will give me 7 over 3. This will give me negative 3 over 3, which is negative 1. So I hope this helps you finish up complete the square problem where you end up with a mixed number and you don't know what to do. Don't work with those mixed numbers, change them to improper, and then go through the steps. So I hope this helps you. If not, please let me know.